Me so excited to show you these chicken wings. It's because they're using miso with them. No, it's fine. It's okay. It's the simplest, fastest, easiest chicken wing recipe you're ever going to have. First up, we need to prep the chicken. Now, the chicken wing comes in three parts. You've got the wing tip, and then you've got the two bits that have got the meat. We want this wing tip off, so just extend it out, and then with the base of the knife, just cut through. Now, professional restaurants, when they're making chicken sauces, chicken stocks, chicken soups, they'll use the whole chicken wing. It's the best way to get the most delicious sauces or soups, but for a home cook, you don't want to do that. It's kind of wasteful, it's quite expensive. So what I do is that I'll use the wings to make chicken wings with, and then I'll keep these wing tips, and that's what I'll make my sauces with, or that's what I'll make my soups with, because they've got the right balance of protein and fat to deliver a delicious sauce. So keep that lot, whack them in the freezer. I kid you not, that's your chicken prep done. Next up, the marinade, and it starts with some white miso. Add your white miso to a wok, then add a tablespoon of the garlic paste. To that, add a couple of splashes of rice mirin. Yes, splash is a technical term. Then some sesame oil for that essential flavour. Give it some sweetness with a bit of runny honey before whisking all of those ingredients together, incorporating them in the wok. Once that's all come together, get stuck in with some soy sauce. That salt will cut through the sweetness of the mirin and the honey. Let that baby simmer for a couple of minutes to get some heat through it, making sure you keep whisking it all the time. Then pour the sauce straight onto the wings. Make sure it's evenly spread all over your wings to get maximum flavour coverage. Right, for best results, marinate them for at least an hour and then whack them in the oven at 210 for 20 minutes. Then finish off with some sesame seeds and let's taste them. Let's test. Oh, look at this stuff. So like, they're just perfect for game day, right? You know, you've got the lads coming round, and you've got lots of things to think about. These are so simple, so quick, but mega, mega tasty. Oh mate. They are, like, I almost feel guilty. I feel like I should have put in like 2 or 3 hours slaving over the stove to deliver this amount of flavour. But the reality is, it's the simplest, fastest, easiest chicken wing recipe you're ever going to have. Oh, and the little sesame seeds on the top, like, they pop and crackle and they give a little bit of contrasting texture. But you've got this beautiful, sticky, sweet Asian taste that's just like smacking you around. It's got your tonsils in a wrestling match, right? It's bloody delicious, basically. Subscribe to the channel, increase the peace, spread the love. I'll see you next week. I'm off to have these with a beer.